In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn read receipts on or off in Microsoft Teams on different platforms, including desktop, web, and mobile. Knowing how to manage read receipts can be incredibly useful, whether you're trying to ensure your messages are being seen or you prefer a little more privacy and don't want others to know when you've read their messages. Let's start with the process on the Teams desktop or web version. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Teams application or access it via your preferred web browser. Once you've logged in and you see your dashboard, what you're going to do is direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, situated right next to your profile picture. Clicking on this ellipsis will open a drop-down menu, and from that menu, you'll select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a series of options listed on the left-hand side. Among these, there is one labeled Privacy, which you should choose. This section is where you can manage various settings concerning your privacy within Teams. As you scroll through the privacy settings, you'll come across the option for Read Receipts. This is the setting we're interested in. You'll find a toggle switch next to Read Receipts. Flipping this switch will enable or disable read receipts according to your preference. If you turn it on, everyone in your organization will be able to see when you've read their messages. Conversely, if you turn it off, others will not see whether you've read their messages, offering you a bit more privacy. It's important to note that this change should automatically apply to your account across all devices. That means whether you're using Teams on your desktop, a laptop, or any mobile device, your read receipt preferences will remain the same once adjusted. Bear in mind, however, that there might be some caveats depending on your organization's policies. Some organizations may have restrictions or specific settings in place that manage whether or not you can change your read receipt settings. If you find that you're unable to adjust this setting, it might be worth speaking to your IT administrator to understand your organization's specific policies. So, I hope you found this guide helpful in adjusting your read receipt settings in Microsoft Teams. Having control over your read receipts is a small change that can significantly impact how you manage communications and privacy in a work environment. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or feedback in the comments below.